Oppo F11 Pro has a 6.5-inch HD Plus screen for a good viewing experience. This phone has a rising camera placed in the middle which gives you a natural selfie. This phone comes in two color options, Thunder Black and Aurora Green. This phone comes with two RAM and storage variants. The 4GB RAM variant has 64GB internal memory, while the 6GB RAM variant has 128GB internal memory. The internal memory on both the RAM variants can be expanded up to 256GB using micro SD card in a dedicated slot. Both SIM slots support 4G VoLTE. Oppo F11 Pro has a large 6.53-inch display with a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels and 19.5 to 9 aspect ratio. This phone comes with a panoramic screen for sharp visuals. Oppo F11 Pro comes with 48MP plus 5MP dual rear camera with 48 million photosensitive units, f1.79 aperture, 6p lens, ball bearing closed loop, and VCM for crisp clear pictures. Oppo F11 Pro runs on Android 9.0 Pie with Color OS 6. This phone is powered by 4000 mAh long-lasting battery with VOOC Fast Charge 3.0, which can maintain high charging speed during the trickle charging period. Buy Oppo F11 Pro with your Bajaj Finserv EMI network card on no-cost EMI. Visit www.bajajfinservmarkets.in/EMI store now.